In this video, we will write a Python function that will return the largest number in a given array. So let's get started. To begin with, I'm going to define a function, and I can call this largest, that will take an array as a parameter. Next, I need to create a variable that will save my largest value. So let me call this maximum, and by default, or initially, I'm going to set it equal to the first element in the array. So I'll do array 0. Okay, so now I just need to go through each number in the array and determine if that number is larger than my maximum. So let's do that. I'm going to use a for loop. So I say for number in array. So this will create a number variable that will hold each number in the array when it's iterating through. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, it'll be 1, then 2, then 3, and so on and so forth. So now I just need to determine if the number is greater than the maximum or not. So I'll say if number is greater than maximum, then I know that the number is my new maximum. So I can just update the maximum variable to be that number. So once I've gone through the entire array, I should have found my maximum number, so I can just return it. And that's pretty much it. So let me try running it. So I can say print, and then I can call my function largest, and then I can pass in an array, and so that's using brackets. And let me give some numbers here. 32, 43, 64, 12. That should be good. Let me save it. Let me run it. And we get 64, which is the largest. So let me make this 43, 143. Let's try running again. And we get 143. All right, that's pretty much it. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have a prompt you'd like me to try, please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for your time.